guys, and welcome to my channel Growth with Alex, where you find the best marketing insights and growth hacking insights as well. And in this case, for today's episode, I'm gonna share and start with the segment of WordPress tutorials. So on this segment, you'll find the best WordPress tutorials to create your website, work with your cPanel, with your PHP, and really be a WordPress expert in the field, right? So let's jump into this episode that is basically how to delete WordPress plugins using cPanel. So for this, as you guys could see, you guys are seeing basically a WordPress dashboard. On other episodes, you'll see how could I come here and install plugins and do all of it. But for now, I'm only going to show you how to delete specific plugins. So in this case, you could see a plugin that is Turma, Divi in Gravity Forms. And if you want to know more about also Divi, you have a link below on the description that will put you into the Elegant Teams website, and you will see what Divi could do. It's a really amazing tool. I'm using it for like years, 4 or 5 years. If I want to be honest with you guys, and it's working like crazy. And the website, it's really fast. It's still fast, and I'm going to show you how to work with that as well in the future. So for now, let's try to uninstall Surma. So as you can see, this you can basically delete it. You can deactivate the plugin here on plugins and delete it. But in case you don't have access to your WordPress instance dashboards, or yeah, if something happens, there are sometimes some stuff happens, or you just install 20 plugins because it's e-commerce. Some e-commerce websites are really into that. And with that, what you need to do is try to uninstall it or delete it through cPanel. So let's try to see. In case you know, by the way, in case you know what's the problem, use cPanel, all right? In case you don't know and you don't have any backup, yeah, well, you can use it either way, but what I'm trying to say is uninstall plugins that are necessary to install. All right, be sure that what you need to do there. So in this case, it's really pretty easy. You have access to your cPanel. We know that it's Surma. We can hit our cPanel. We're gonna type File Manager here, as you can see. And we know that the plugin is on public HTML. You go to WP content, you could see that you have a lot of folders regarding WordPress content. You go to plugins, and you find Surma Divi Gravity Forms. So with this, what I advise you is use one of these fields here. And in case we use the delete, we're going to delete this Surma Divi Gravity Forms, and we're going to reload the page on the file manager. As you can see, it's not here. And when you come here, it's the magic, and I hope it works. And it worked. So right now, Surma is not part of the directory of this website. And this is really an easy thing to do, but it could get tricky if you really have issues with your website. And that's it, guys. I hope you like it. If you have any opinions or comments, or do you want another specific video regarding another task on WordPress, just let me know, all right? And thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to, I also have a newsletter. Don't forget to subscribe to that newsletter on my website. And yeah, I hope you like it, and enjoy your day. Thank you so much.